Pin-loom weavers should try pattern weaving so you can go beyond plain weave. There's a lot of textures to be explored and color variations too. Today we're going to be learning how to make your pin-loom weaving successful, how to read a pattern, how to weave patterns, 4 different types of pattern, lace, spot bronson, honeycomb, and a waffle grid. Once you learn how to pattern weave and put things together, it's going to be a whole new playing field. It looks like pieces of fabric, whole fabric, not just little squares. These are 3 squares going across, and it made this incredible scarf. You can't tell that it's seamed together and that it took a bunch of squares to make this. And people are going to have a hard time going, how did you weave this? And I just hope you take my tips and tricks and give it a try. And I really hope you try the patterning, because this is really fun. And it really opens up your pin-loom weaving to make larger pieces of fabric. Then you can wow other people with your fabulous pin-loom projects.